In a bowl, add milk and vinegar and let it sit for a couple of minutes before you add in half a cup of sugar along with 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of dahi, some vanilla extract and red food color. Give this a good mix before you add in the maida along with a tablespoon of cocoa powder and some baking soda. One final mix and your batter is ready. This goes in the microwave for just 4 minutes on regular heating mode until the cake cooks completely. Then top it with some cream cheese frosting and trust me, this is so good.